Hello and welcome back to ADHD Customs, where we build show cars on a minimum wage budget. This is just a recap video to let you guys know all the stuff that's happened since I last saw you. It's been a while. I have been on holiday. It is currently still in the middle of a heat wave in the UK. It is roasting, hence why I'm wearing a hillbilly top. For this video, I'm just going to show you all the things that are going on in the world of me and my vehicles. Some stuff I've done to the T4 which you guys haven't seen yet. I've got some parts all around me. It's basically a recap and a refresh to start moving forward from here, because we got lots of stuff coming up. We got a lot of things going on, like this. We got some weird shit going down, but let's show you first what I've done to the T4 since you last saw it. Here it is. Since you last saw the T4, I've added a few details. We've got the ADHD Customs vibe on the front with a little YouTube channel advertisement. We have got a wraparound front screen. You saw the wing mirrors. We've got this front screen. Look at this bad boy. This is from a T25. I had to recut and shape. This did come to about this way. I had to cut that off, put this back on. I still need to grind this back properly. What I've done was I drilled 2 holes in the A-pillar, and then I put riv nuts in, screwed them on. These riv nuts are wicked. It's the best tool I ever bought, you know. Yeah, riv nut gun. Get one if you haven't got one. But this is solid and it looks cool. I do like it. Let's have a look. It is coming together. It is coming together with its little peak. Also done a little rope thing where I drilled holes in the bumper, wrapped some rope around there. You can see the vibe I'm going for on this. I think it looks quite good. I am currently bidding on a set of beauty rings. I polished up these rims and the white looks good, but I'm thinking if I got some chrome beauty rings and left that colour, it would look sick. So that is what's going on with the T4 at the minute. I haven't really done much to it because I've been on holiday. The Golf is sat here. MOT is about to run out on that, so I need to get that booked in. I'm going to take this to work now. Golf is still here looking lovely. And we're about to do a whole thing on this. Do you remember when I bought this car? It was a crashed car that I got for 500 quid. I completely rebuilt the front end and all that stuff. Well, put a radiator in. Ever since then, it's still leaking coolant. No matter what I do, the coolant level just keeps going down. It's not a head gasket. I don't know what it is. It's doing my nutting now. So I've bought an entire cooling system. I'm talking every single pipe, brand new radiator, new thermostat housing. I bought the entire works for this. So we're going to be doing an entire cooling system replacement on this car. Okay, the whole system. That is going to be coming up hopefully in the next video. Also, this car's got aircon, and if you look at the minute, it is swelching out here. Swelching, is that a word? I don't know. But I've also realised the aircon probably doesn't work, because when this car was bought, the front was crashed. I replaced the radiator to get it working, but in front of that radiator was the aircon condenser, which is just another big radiator. That must have been damaged too. I'm going to be sorting out the whole cooling system in this car, the whole brand new cooling system, plus I'm going to try and get the aircon working. Look at the stuff I've got for this. Over here we have a brand spanking new radiator. Underneath that, we've got a brand spanking new condenser. Just over here, we've got a complete red silicone coolant pipe kit to replace every coolant line in the car, except for one problem. They sent me one for a mk3 Golf GTI 16 valve. Mine's the 8 valve. So I think only one of these pipes is correct. So I'm now currently waiting for them to send me the right parts. Otherwise, this video this weekend would have been me doing this, but it's not. So hopefully next weekend I can do that video. I can get the car in here because I've cleaned my workshop out. Ooh, don't get a shot of my burnt side boob. I've cleaned the whole workshop out. Look at this. I have kind of cleaned it out. I'm sick and tired of working outside there. I want to work back in my workshop again. I want to do some custom graphics down the side of my T4. Yep, just like I've done all the other ones. I want to put scallops and stuff all down the side of it, the lot. So I've been cleaning out my workshop so I can actually drive my van in here and do some paint work on it. Don't mind the tripod, behind the scenes and all that. So that is what's been going on. Complete cooling system for the car. I've even got other bits somewhere, which is like the thermostat housing and all that. So that is what has been going on. That's what I'm going to be doing to the T4. The whole cooling system is one of the next videos coming up for the Mark III Golf, because I just want to stop it somehow using cooling. It's got to be leaking somewhere. So if I replace the whole lot, it should sort it. Plus, this week I'm picking up something that I've never done on the channel before. I don't know if any of you guys are into motorbikes, but I might be getting a motorbike this week that I'm not even going to pay for. Right? Yeah, just watch this space, people. Watch this space. I'll be getting a motorbike, okay? I'm not even sure what type of bike it is, if I'm honest. I've not seen it yet, but somebody has offered me a bike that I can't turn down. And I might even make it like I think it needs the carb fixing on it, but I might even be doing like a little thing where I do a video where I fix the bike to give to my son as a birthday present. So that would be cool. Anyway, that's what's been going on. Not much happening. Like I said, like I've just showed you, that's what's been going on in the channel. That's what's going to be going on the channel. And it is so hot and it's ridiculous. So thanks for watching, people. I know it's been a quick, short video, but there is stuff coming up. Don't worry. It's just been this heat wave, man, just makes it so difficult to film. Plus I was away at Clacton all last week with my daughter and my son and their other halves and all that. And it was a really nice week. It was nice to get away. It was cheap. But yeah, if you're into show cars and building cars, but you've got a minimum wage budget like I have, stick around, subscribe, just check it out, and I will see you guys in the next one. A lot of stuff coming up, so I'm looking forward to getting back on the channel and sorting shit out. So, see you in the next one, peeps.